When it comes to getting fit, we often focus on the physical aspect of exercise and nutrition, but what about our mindset? I know what you're thinking. What's the big deal about mindset? Can't I just hit the gym and get fit? Well, the truth is, having the right mindset is the difference between success and failure. It's the driving force behind our actions, and it's what gets us out of bed in the morning to crush that workout. Think about it, when you start a new fitness journey, you're usually all pumped up and motivated. But as time goes on, that motivation starts to dwindle, and you're left wondering why you even started in the first place. That's because our mindset is what determines our ability to stick to our goals. If we don't have the right mindset, we'll give up at the first sign of trouble. Having the right mindset means you're more likely to push through challenges, to try new things, and to believe in yourself. And that's what gets you the results you want. So, how do we cultivate this mindset? That's what we're going to explore today. But before we get into that, let's talk about some common mental barriers that hold us back from getting fit. We've all been there. We want to start a new fitness journey, but our minds are filled with negative thoughts. I'm not good enough. I'll never be able to do this. I'm too old, too slow, too weak. These thoughts are like a constant whisper in our ears, telling us we're not capable of achieving our goals. Lack of motivation is a big one. We all know the feeling. We're tired, we're stressed, and the last thing we want to do is go to the gym. But why is that? Is it because we're truly lazy, or is it because we're just not motivated? The truth is, motivation is like a muscle that needs to be exercised. We need to find ways to spark that motivation and keep it going. Self-doubt is another major barrier. We doubt our ability to achieve our goals, and that doubt holds us back from even trying. What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? These thoughts are like a weight that's holding us back, and we need to find ways to overcome them. Negative self-talk is another one. We're our own worst critics, and we're always putting ourselves down. I'm not doing this right. I'm not good enough. These thoughts are like a toxic cloud that's following us around, and we need to find ways to get rid of them. And then there's the fear of failure. We're so scared of failing that we don't even try. We play it safe and we stick to what we know. But the truth is, failure is not the end of the world. It's just a stepping stone on the path to success. So, how do we overcome these mental barriers and cultivate a positive mindset? That's what I want to explore with you today. First, let's talk about goal setting. Setting goals is like mapping out a route to our destination. It gives us direction, it gives us focus, and it gives us motivation. But here's the thing, our goals need to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. That's how we know we're on the right track. Visualization is another powerful tool. It's like mentally rehearsing our success. We see ourselves achieving our goals, and that gives us the confidence to take action. And it's not just about visualizing the outcome, it's about visualizing the process too. We need to see ourselves taking the steps necessary to achieve our goals. Self-compassion is also crucial. We need to learn to be kind to ourselves, to forgive ourselves when we make mistakes, and to celebrate our successes. We're human, and we're going to make mistakes. It's how we respond to those mistakes that matters. And then there's the power of community. Having a supportive community behind us makes all the difference. We're not alone in this journey, and we need to surround ourselves with people who believe in us and who will push us to be our best selves. I want to share a personal story with you that illustrates the power of mindset in fitness. When I first started my fitness journey, I was struggling. I was overweight, I was out of shape, and I had no idea what I was doing. But I didn't give up. I found a community of like-minded people who supported me, and I started setting small, achievable goals for myself. And you know what? It worked. I started seeing results, and that motivated me to keep going. I want to share another story with you, the story of Sarah. Sarah was a single mom who had just gone through a divorce. She was struggling to take care of her kids, and she felt like she was losing herself in the process. But she decided to take control of her fitness journey, and it changed her life. She started small, with short workouts in her living room, and gradually built up to bigger and better things. And you know what? She transformed her body, and she transformed her mind. Mindset is what gets us out of bed in the morning, ready to take on the day. It's what pushes us to be our best selves, even when it's hard. And it's what gets us the results we want. So, let's recap what we've learned today. We've learned that mindset is the key to success in fitness, that we need to overcome common mental barriers like lack of motivation, self-doubt, and negative self-talk, and that we need to cultivate a positive mindset through goal setting, visualization, self-compassion, and community. And we've learned that it's not just about the physical results, it's about the transformation that happens within us. So, I want to leave you with a challenge today. Take one thing you've learned and implement it in your life. Start setting small goals for yourself, or start visualizing your success. What's the biggest mindset challenge you're facing right now, and how do you overcome it?